Now, the state is prioritizing anyone who works in schools or with children in the phase 3 group. We want to go over this again. Hundreds of thousands across the Carolinas are ready for their second dose. WBTV anchor Maureen O'Boyle is answering your questions tonight to the vaccine team. So, Maureen, what do you have?
Well, Molly, close to 1 million people in North Carolina have completed their vaccines, which is great news. They've gotten both shots. So the question to the vaccine team tonight is, if I've had both doses, but I learned I was exposed to the virus, do I still need to quarantine? The answer is no. The CDC just changed its quarantine recommendations if you've been fully vaccinated. The agency now says you do not have to quarantine if you are exposed to someone who was infected, but keep in mind, you have to have been out 2 weeks, that's 14 days from your second dose, to be fully protected. As the vaccine team mentioned earlier in the week, until more people complete the vaccine process, you are asked to still practice all those safety suggestions. The vaccine team showed you earlier this week how to keep track of which vaccine you may have gotten and when you're due for your second dose. If you are, that story is on our website right now at wbtv.com/vaccine. And make sure to explore our vaccine team questions and answers on the WBTV app on Roku, Apple TV, and Amazon Fire. Jamie?
Maureen, thank you. With more people getting vaccinated in Mecklenburg County, the vaccine team learned hospitalizations are dropping. The average number of COVID-19 patients now at the lowest point the county has seen in nearly 2 months. Now, this graph we can show you emphasizes the improving situation. Fewer people are getting really sick. The percentage of people testing positive also dropping down to about 10% in Mecklenburg County. It was 12% just 2 weeks ago, but still well above the 5% rate recommended by health leaders. Meanwhile, people 65 and older still waiting for their turn to get the COVID-19 vaccine. Mecklenburg County following the state's plans, vaccinating groups in this order. Another reminder, North Carolina enters Group 3 in about 2 weeks, February 24th. Group 3 will start with teachers, then move on to others like first responders. We're told at this point, roughly 7% of the county's population has been vaccinated. As COVID cases are dropping in both the Carolinas, you can find the number you can call to schedule a vaccine appointment in your county. We have an interactive map live on our website. Just head to WBTV.com/vaccine.